Hi guys, today I want to show you a trick for factorizing quadratics. So let's have a look. Here we have an expression. It also works for equations. Let's look at coefficients and constant. This is 1, 11, 2 coefficients and 24 as a constant, and we will be using Greek method to solve that, to factorize quadratics. That's the formula to use. So first of all, let's find what is a, b, and c. We have a in here as 1, b in here 11, and c positive 24. Okay, how does it work? We need to fill in bricks. On the top we have 24. Let's have a look. Okay, so on the top we multiply a by c. So 1 multiplied by 24 goes on the top, and bottom number is always b. So a multiplied by c on the top, b on the bottom, 11. Now we're looking for two numbers in the middle. Okay, these two numbers multiply to 24 and add to 11. So we're looking for two factors of 24, and when you add them, you have 11. And these numbers here are 3 and 8. Okay, we have 3 and 8, doesn't matter which order. 3 multiplied by 8 is 24, and 3 plus 8 is 11. Okay, so that's how it works. Now we need to write down two back-to-back brackets. Okay, x goes first. Now, how does it work? Star. These are the numbers we're looking for. Okay, so here we have 3 and 8, these stars. Now, we need to put it over a when filling in the brackets. 3 over a, that's 1. Perfect. So plus 3 over 1 is 3 basically, and positive 8. 8 over 1 is 8. Okay, it's very simple when a is 1. Okay, because we don't have fractions here, we don't have to divide it. Okay, and I'll show you another example. Here we have another example, x squared minus 11x plus 30. Again, let's start with writing a, b, and c. So a is 1, b negative 11, and c 30. Let's fill it in. On the top you have a multiplied by c, which is 30. On the bottom minus 11. And then we need to find these two numbers. When you multiply them you have 30, when you add them you have minus 11, and in this case these are minus 6 and minus 5. Okay, so always double check, do I have correct numbers? Minus 6 by minus 5, and that's positive 30, minus 6 plus minus 5, minus 11. Perfect. So we have to fill that in. Okay, and then two back-to-back brackets. How does it work? X goes first, and then we have negative 6 and negative 5. And as you can see, you don't have to divide it as a is 1. Let's look at the examples when a is any number apart 1. Here we have a equals 2, b negative 2, and c negative 12. How does it work then? Okay, so the same. First of all, a multiplied by c on the top, and that's minus 24. b goes on the bottom, minus 2. And now let's find two numbers multiplied to minus 4 and add to minus 2. Okay, so in this case it's minus 6 and 4. Okay, one has to be positive, one negative if the answer is negative as a product. Okay, and then fill that in, minus 6 and 4. Right, back to back brackets. X goes first, and then what happens if a is 2. We have to divide it at the end by 2. So we have minus 6 over 2 and positive 4 over 2. That means we have x minus 3 and x plus 2. Okay? And this is the last example I want to show you. Okay, so the same, A, B, C. Let's fill bricks in. On the top, A multiplied by C. 6 multiplied by minus 2 gives you minus 12. Bottom number, minus 1. Okay, so remember, if there is just minus, that means it's minus 1 in here. So let's look for two numbers multiplied to minus 12 and add up to minus 1. Okay, and in this case is 3 and minus 4. Let's double check. 3 take away 4, it's minus 1, and 3 multiplied by minus 4, minus 12, correct, perfect, and then fill that in. So we have 3 minus 4, again the order doesn't matter, minus 4 and 3. Brackets, x goes first. Okay, again A is 6, that means we have to divide it. We have positive 3 over 6 and then negative 4 over 6. Okay, let's simplify it. So x plus 1 over 2 and x minus 2 over 3. Now, what do we have to do if we end up with fractions at the end? We don't want to have any fractions in here. What to do? X plus 1 over 2. How to get rid of the fraction? We have to multiply the whole expression by denominator, which is 2. So multiplied by 2, and that gives us 2x plus 1. And the same with the other one. X minus 2 over 3. We have to multiply the whole expression by 3. And the answer will be 3x minus 2. Okay? So this is our answer. I'm going to write it down in yellow. 2x plus 1 and 3x minus 2. Okay, so these 4 examples, please practice that at home, and we're going to practice more in the class. Thank you.